I bet you didn't know you have untapped psychic abilities just waiting to be discovered. Have you ever felt a chill run down your spine and thought, that's weird, or known who was on the other end of the phone before you even answered? That, my friend, is your intuition talking, your own personal psychic ability trying to make itself known. We all have this incredible gift within us just waiting to be unveiled. It's like a muscle, the more you use it, the stronger it gets. Think of it like this. You wouldn't expect to run a marathon without any training, would you? It's the same with developing your psychic abilities. It takes time, patience, and a willingness to open your mind to a whole new world of possibilities. But trust me, the journey is more than worth it. The key is to pay attention to those subtle whispers, those gut feelings that tell you something is up. Don't dismiss them as mere coincidence. They're often signs from the universe trying to guide you. The more you acknowledge and trust these whispers, the louder and clearer they'll become. So, are you ready to embark on an adventure of self-discovery to unlock the secrets that lie within your own mind? Let's dive in. We live in a world dominated by our five senses: sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing. But what if there's more to life than meets the eye? Psychic abilities tap into a realm beyond the physical. Imagine sensing emotions, offering compassion, and glimpsing the future. Psychic abilities empower you to connect deeply and navigate life with insight. It's about expanding your awareness and realizing we are all connected. Psychic abilities are available to everyone. Tap into your innate power. Now, let's get down to business. How do you actually start enhancing your psychic abilities? First and foremost, it's about creating a sacred space where you can connect with your inner self without distractions. This could be a quiet corner in your home, a spot in nature that speaks to your soul, or even your bathtub. Find what works for you and make it your own. Next, it's time to tune into your intuition. Start by paying attention to your dreams. Keep a dream journal by your bed and jot down everything you remember upon waking. Look for recurring symbols or themes. They often hold hidden messages from your subconscious. Another powerful technique is to practice psychometry, which involves sensing the energy of objects. Hold an object that belongs to someone you know well. Close your eyes and see what feelings or images come to mind. You might be surprised by what you pick up. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Be patient with yourself, trust the process, and most importantly, have fun with it. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of stillness can seem impossible, but trust me, it's in the quiet spaces that your psychic abilities truly blossom. Meditation is like giving your mind a much-needed spa day. It calms the chatter, clears the clutter, and allows you to connect with your inner wisdom. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes and focus on your breath. As thoughts pop up, acknowledge them without judgment and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. Mindfulness is another powerful tool for enhancing your psychic abilities. It's about being fully present in the moment, paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. When you're mindful, you're more attuned to your surroundings and more likely to pick up on subtle energy shifts. So slow down, take a deep breath, and embrace the power of stillness. You'll be amazed by what you discover. Unlocking your psychic abilities is a journey of self-discovery, a lifelong adventure that's as unique as you are. There's no right or wrong way to do it, so trust your instincts and follow your own path. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. There are countless resources available to support you, from books and online courses to workshops and psychic development groups. Don't be afraid to reach out and connect with others who are on a similar path. Sharing your experiences and learning from one another can be incredibly empowering. Most importantly, remember to have fun with it. Embrace the mystery, be open to the possibilities, and never stop exploring the incredible depths of your own intuition. The world is your oyster, darling, and the only limits are the ones you set for yourself. Now go out there and shine your light.